Welcome to Free Learning. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove this process. It is called AddInProcess.exe. It is using a lot of memory, and even if I remove it, it will come back again and consume a lot of memory. It is Windows process, so we should do a little trick to remove it. So let's go to the file destination and open the properties of this file. Go to Security, Advanced, and let's change the owner to PC. PC is the name of the session I'm logging to. So you should use the name of the session you are logging to. After that, click on OK and go to Edit Permissions and remove permissions from all the users. Yes, go one by one for all the users and all the groups. Remove the permissions, and after that you should add the name of the session you are logging into. So let's write PC again and give it all the permissions. Full control, then click on OK, yes, OK. So let's repeat this for the AddInProcess32.exe. So again, change the owner. So I'll type PC, then click on Apply, OK. And for each group and for each username, remove all the permissions. Okay, let's do this. And after removing the permissions from all the users and all the groups, let's add. Okay, so let's add my session PC and give it all permissions. Click on Apply, yes, OK, OK. Let's remove it now. Okay, it has been removed successfully. Let's remove the other one. Let's see if the user is PC. Okay, it's good. For permissions, okay, everything is okay. So let's try to remove it. I can't remove it. Let's kill the process. Click again. Okay, so it has been removed successfully. So let's remove also these two files. So I will do this in a fast mode, so it's the same process, just you should edit the owner of the file and remove the permissions from all the users and the groups, and add your session, give it all permissions, and remove the file. And repeat the same process for the other file. Change the owner, remove permissions from all users, all groups, add your session name, give it all permissions. Okay, remove it. So now you can see that